Did you know that there are side hustles out there that can earn you thousands of dollars each month? Today, I'm going to share the top side hustles of 2024 that are bringing in the most money and how you can get started. I'll also reveal the one mistake that most people make that kills their side hustle success. But first, what makes a side hustle truly profitable? A common misconception is that if you pick a popular side hustle, you'll automatically make a lot of money. This is an oversimplification of a complex process. For instance, everyone thinks freelancing in tech is highly profitable, while side hustles like selling handmade crafts are not. However, I know crafters making six figures annually, so what actually makes a side hustle profitable? It really comes down to three things: market demand, scalability, and your skill set. Let's break it down. Market demand is crucial. The more people want a product or service, the more you can sell. Scalability is about how much you can grow your hustle. These are the 5 most profitable online side hustles in 2024. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services and earning commissions from sales can bring in significant income, averaging $500 to $1,000 per month. Number 4, online courses. Creating and selling your own courses online can be very lucrative, with some creators making $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. Number 3, virtual assistant. Providing administrative support remotely averages around $1,000 to $3,000 per month. At number 2, we have freelancing. Freelancing in specialized fields such as graphic design, coding, or copywriting also continues to be profitable. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. By building a strong portfolio and gaining positive reviews, you can increase your rates and workload over time. But here's the critical mistake most people make: not treating their side hustle like a business. Whether it's poor time management, lack of planning, or underpricing their services, these missteps can prevent you from reaching your earning potential. And finally, the most profitable online side hustle in 2024 is starting and monetizing a YouTube channel. Successful channels can generate anywhere between $5,000 to $20,000 per month or more through ads and sponsorships. It's essential to set clear goals, track your progress, and continually refine your approach. So, to sum it up, focus on market demand, scalability, and your skill set. Explore high-potential side hustles like content creation, dropshipping, and freelancing. Avoid common pitfalls by treating your side hustle like a serious business. With the right mindset and strategies, 2024 could be your most profitable year yet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're interested in starting, and check out the links in the description for additional resources.